Anna is a young woman. She lives in a small town. One day, Anna goes to the post office. She gets a letter. The letter has no name on it. It is a mystery. Anna opens the letter. Inside there is a map. The map shows a place in the forest. There is also a note. The note says, "Come alone." Anna is curious. Who sent the letter? What is at the place on the map? She decides to go and find out. She packs a bag. She takes a flashlight, some water, and a snack. Anna leaves her house. She follows the map. The sun is setting. The forest looks dark and scary, but Anna is brave. She keeps walking. After a while, Anna sees an old cabin. The cabin is on the map. She goes closer. The door is open. Anna takes a deep breath. She steps inside. The cabin is empty. There is dust everywhere. Anna looks around. She finds an old book on a table. The book is big and heavy. It has a lock on it. Anna hears a noise. She turns around. There is no one there. She feels scared. She wants to leave, but she also wants to know more. Anna takes the book. She leaves the cabin. Anna walks back home. It is dark now. The moon is bright. She thinks about the letter, the map, and the book. What do they mean? Who sent them? Anna knows she has to find out. When Anna gets home, she locks the door. She puts the book on her table. She looks at it. The book has no title. It is very old. Anna tries to open the lock. It does not open. Anna feels tired. It is late. She decides to go to bed. She will think more about the book tomorrow. She hopes she will find some answers. Anna goes to sleep. She dreams of the forest and the old cabin. She dreams of secrets and mysteries. Tomorrow she will begin her search for the truth. The next morning, Anna wakes up early. She remembers the book. She is excited to learn more. She goes to the table and looks at the book again. The lock is old and rusty. Anna thinks about the cabin. Maybe there is a key hidden there. She decides to go back to the forest. She takes her bag and the map. This time she brings a small knife to feel safer. Anna walks to the forest. The sun is shining. The forest does not look so scary now. She follows the path to the old cabin. When she arrives, she looks around carefully. Anna searches the cabin. She checks under the table and inside the drawers. She looks behind the old furniture. Finally, she finds a small box under a loose floorboard. The box is locked too, but Anna's knife is sharp. She uses it to open the box. Inside, there is a key. Anna feels happy. She hopes this is the key for the book. Anna hurries back home with the key. She sits at the table and tries the key in the book's lock. The key fits perfectly. The lock clicks open. Anna opens the book. Inside the book, there are many old pages. The writing is in a strange language. Anna cannot read it, but there are also pictures. The pictures show strange symbols and maps. Anna looks closely at the maps. One map shows the forest. It has a red X on it. The X is near the old cabin. Anna thinks the X marks a spot. She needs to go back to the forest. Anna takes the map from the book. She puts it in her bag. She goes back to the forest for the third time. This time she looks for the spot marked with the red X. Anna follows the map. She walks past the cabin. She walks deeper into the forest. The trees are tall and the path is narrow. She feels a bit scared, but also excited. Finally, Anna reaches the spot. The red X is near an old tree. The tree has a big trunk and thick roots. Anna looks around. She sees something shiny under the tree. Anna digs with her hands. She finds a small metal box. The box is very old. Anna opens it carefully. Inside there is a piece of paper. The paper has more strange writing and a picture of a key. Anna feels confused. What does the paper mean? Why is there a picture of a key? She decides to take the paper home. She will try to find out more. Anna walks back home. She feels tired but happy. She knows she is getting closer to the truth. She has the book, the map, and the paper. She will find out the secret soon. Anna is determined to solve the mystery. She looks at the strange writing on the paper. She cannot read it, but she notices something. The writing looks like an old language she saw in a book once. Anna remembers there is an old library in town. The library has many old books and documents. She decides to go there to look for answers. Anna walks to the library. The librarian is an old woman. Her name is Mrs. Green. Anna tells Mrs. Green about the book, the map, and the paper. She shows her the strange writing. Mrs. Green looks at the paper carefully. She says, "This is an old language. It is very rare. We have some books about it. Let me help you." Mrs. Green leads Anna to a special section in the library. There are many old books on the shelves. Mrs. Green takes out a big book. It has a dusty cover. She opens it and looks for the strange writing. After some time, Mrs. Green finds the writing. She reads it and says, "This is a code. It says, 'The key to the past is hidden in the present.' It also says, 'Look for the guardian of secrets.'" "Who is the guardian of secrets?" she asks. Mrs. Green smiles. "I think the guardian is someone who knows the history of the town, someone who has many secrets. I think it might be Mr. Thompson." Anna knows Mr. Thompson. He is an old man who lives near the forest. He has lived in the town all his life. He knows many stories and secrets. Anna decides to visit him. Anna thanks Mrs. Green and leaves the library. She walks to Mr. Thompson's house. When she arrives, she knocks on the door. Mr. Thompson opens the door and smiles. "Hello, Anna. What brings you here?" he asks. Anna tells Mr. Thompson about the book, the map, and the paper. She shows him the strange writing and the picture of the key. Mr. Thompson listens carefully. Mr. Thompson nods. "I know about this. It is an old secret of our town. The key is a real key. It opens a hidden room in the old mansion near the forest. The room has many treasures and secrets." Anna feels excited. She asks, "Can you help me find the key?" Mr. Thompson smiles. "Yes, I can, but it is not easy. The key is hidden in a special place. You need to solve a riddle to find it. The riddle is, where the sun meets the earth, the key will be found." Anna thinks about the riddle. She thanks Mr. Thompson and goes home. She knows she must solve the riddle to find the key. She will think about it and try to find the answer. Anna cannot stop thinking about the riddle. Where the sun meets the earth, the key will be found. What does it mean? She decides to take a walk to clear her mind. She hopes she will find the answer. Anna walks through the town and heads to the edge of the forest. She looks at the horizon. The sun is setting. Suddenly she understands. The riddle is talking about sunset. The place where the sun meets the earth is the horizon at sunset. Anna knows she needs to go to a high place to see the sunset clearly. There is a hill near the old mansion. She decides to go there. She packs her bag with a flashlight and some water. She leaves her house and walks towards the hill. As Anna climbs the hill, the sun is setting. The sky is turning orange and pink. When she reaches the top, she sees a beautiful view. She looks around for any clues. Anna spots an old stone bench facing the sunset. She walks to the bench and examines it closely. On the ground near the bench, she sees something shiny. She kneels down and finds a small metal box buried in the dirt. Anna carefully opens the box. Inside there is a small key. It is old and rusty, but it looks like it could fit the lock of the hidden room. Anna feels a rush of excitement. She found the key. With the key in her hand, Anna hurries down the hill and heads towards the old mansion. The mansion is dark and quiet. It has been abandoned for many years. Anna pushes open the heavy front door and steps inside. The inside of the mansion is dusty and filled with old furniture covered in white sheets. Anna uses her flashlight to find her way. She remembers Mr. Thompson said the hidden room has many treasures and secrets. She needs to find the door that the key opens. Anna searches the mansion. She looks behind old paintings and inside closets. Finally, in a small room on the second floor, she finds a door with a rusty lock. Anna takes a deep breath and inserts the key. The lock clicks open. Anna pushes the door open and steps inside. The hidden room is filled with old books, maps, and artifacts. There are paintings on the walls and a large chest in the corner. Anna feels like she has stepped into a treasure trove of history. She carefully examines the items in the room. Each one tells a story of the past. Anna feels connected to the history of her town in a way she never has before. As Anna explores the hidden room, she finds a journal. The journal belongs to someone named Elias Thompson. She realizes it must be an ancestor of Mr. Thompson. She opens the journal and begins to read. The journal tells the story of the town and its secrets. Anna feels like she has found a key not just to a hidden room, but to the past. She decides to take the journal to Mr. Thompson. He will be happy to see it and can help her understand more about the town's history. Anna leaves the mansion with the journal in her bag. She feels a sense of accomplishment and excitement. She knows there is still more to discover, but she has taken the first big step. Anna walks to Mr. Thompson's house with the journal. She is excited to share her discovery. When she arrives, she knocks on the door. Mr. Thompson opens the door and smiles. "Hello, Anna. Did you find the key?" he asks. Anna nods and shows him the journal. "I found the key in this journal. It has the story of the town and its secrets." Mr. Thompson looks at the journal with surprise. "This is my great-grandfather's journal. I thought it was lost forever. Come in, Anna. Let's read it together." Anna and Mr. Thompson sit down at a table. They open the journal and begin to read. The journal tells the story of Elias Thompson, who lived many years ago. He was a wise man and a protector of the town's secrets. He wanted to protect the town's history. He created the map and the riddle to make sure only the right person would find them. Anna and Mr. Thompson read about old events, important people, and hidden treasures. They learn about a lost painting, a special coin, and an ancient document. These items are all in the hidden room. Mr. Thompson smiles and says, "Anna, you have done something amazing. You have brought back a piece of our history. The town will be grateful." Anna feels proud. She knows she has done something important. She asks, "What should we do with the treasures?" Mr. Thompson thinks for a moment. "We should share them with the town. We can create a small museum in the library. Everyone should know about our history." Anna agrees. She feels happy knowing that the town's secrets will be shared with everyone. She and Mr. Thompson make a plan to move the treasures to the library. A few days later, Anna and Mr. Thompson work together. They carefully move the items from the hidden room to the library. Mrs. Green helps them set up a special display. When everything is ready, they invite the townspeople to see the treasures. The people are amazed. They learn about their history and feel proud of their town. Anna feels a sense of accomplishment. She has solved the mystery and helped her town. She knows that the journey was worth it. The town's secrets are now a part of everyone's story. As Anna walks home, she thinks about the adventure. She smiles, knowing that sometimes the past can bring great things to the present. She feels ready for whatever comes next.